What's up, guys? My name is Tai Zen. Welcome to the cryptocurrency.market channel. This is a trading, investing, and entrepreneurship channel. I am broadcasting from District 2 in the city of Ho Chi Minh City in the country of Vietnam. Right here, right next to me right here is called Empire City .vn. You can check it out. They are looking to build the tallest building in Vietnam right here. I am actually on my way to the tallest building, that's the currently tallest building in Vietnam right now, which is the Landmark 81, and I'm driving past here, and this is the future site of where they will build the next tallest building in Vietnam, and it's called Empire City. It's supposed to be like a forest in the sky type of building, okay? In this video, guys, I want to talk about getting accurate information, okay? Getting accurate information so that you make an accurate buy or sell decision, okay? A lot of times when people first get into trading and investing, they do not get accurate information, or they get information from inaccurate sources, which leads to inaccurate information again, okay? So it's extremely important that the more accurate the information that you get when you first get into cryptocurrency trading and investing, the more accurate the decision that you can make is, and the more chance that you will make a profit, and the less chance, it reduces the risk and increases your probability of profit, okay? So let me give you guys some examples of inaccurate information versus accurate information, okay? So if we go to, let's just say, for example, we go to the, I'll use this as an example. Today, someone tweeted out and asked me if, like, why am I big on Decred and Tezos, but I'm not very big on Dash, okay? Now, I was around when Dash came out, and I missed the boat on Dash. So that's why I'm jumping on Tezos and Decred, okay? And this person asked me, if I felt like it can, why I prefer Tezos and Decred over Dash, okay? Well, when you look at the trading volume of Tezos, okay, the trading volume of Tezos was around 7 million per day, and that was based on I think Bitfinex and Kraken. Most of the trading was done on Kraken. There's some that's done on Bitfinex, I think, Bitfinex or Bitstamp, I forget, and then on HitBTC. HitBTC is a shitty exchange. You should not be trading on HitBTC, okay? If you trade a coin that's only listed on HitBTC, I would find a quick way to sell it and then get rid of it and then move on to another coin. Stay away from that exchange, okay? I haven't heard anything good about that exchange, okay? So when we look at this, right, when Tezos got listed on Coinbase Pro, and then a few days later it got listed on Coinbase, right, the trading volume skyrocketed to like 25-30 million in one day. And I don't know how long it's going to stay there because it just started getting listed on there and started trading on those exchanges, okay? But if you look at that and you compare it to the 200 million trading volume of Dash each day, you would think that Dash is trading like 10 times more volume than Tezos, okay? But when you look down, if you go to CoinMarketCap and you click on the Dash, okay, and you look at their markets, you click on the markets tab, you will notice that they do say that they have 200 million worth of trading volume. However, if you look closely, most of the trading volume is done on the Chinese exchanges that are unreputable, okay? They're just crappy exchanges that we don't even know who they are, never heard of them. I don't know of any traders that trade on them, and they're listing that they're trading Dash, and they're trading like 100, 40, 50, $100 million worth of Dash against the Tether, right? Now, I don't believe any of that crap, and if you're new to trading, you may not be aware that that's a bunch of fake volume. So if you make your buying decision based on the fact that, I think that Dash has a better market share because it's trading 200 million a day, you'd be mistaken, because most of that trading volume is just fake volume out of the Chinese exchanges. And so that's one example of making a trading decision or an investing decision based on false information or fake information. Okay, so that's one example. So there are many other examples, right? For example, like people will say that one project has more money than another project. Okay, and there's really no way for us to determine that other than to look at their account balances or their public Bitcoin address or Ethereum address. Okay, like for example, like some people say that I have commented before that I do not believe that the EOS project. Okay, I am an investor in EOS. Okay, I did not buy during their ICO. I invested after their ICO. Okay, but I do not believe that they raised $4 billion like they say. Okay, now if you didn't know this, if you just got into crypto, you might believe that. You might believe, oh yeah, these guys, they raise $4 billion compared to Tezos. They only raised $232 million. But here's the thing, okay? I believe that Tezos has more money than EOS, even though EOS claims that they raised $4 billion. Okay, the reason is because when Tezos raised their ICO, when they did their ICO and they did their crowdfunding, okay, they raised $232 million, and it was to two addresses. One was a Bitcoin address, and the other one was a Ethereum address. And the entire public can see that all the coins were in those two addresses. Okay, so we know for sure that they got those, and the crowdfunding was done in a few days, so it was over. So everybody can see that, oh, this Bitcoin address has X, thousands of Bitcoins in it. This other Ethereum address has thousands of Ethers in it. Okay, so that can be verified, and we know that information to be accurate, and we know that they haven't spent all that money. In the last update that the foundation gave out, they said they still have like $500 million worth of Bitcoins, because at the time they did the ICO, the Bitcoins were $2,500, and now they're like $12,000. And they did that report back when the price of Bitcoin was only $10,000. So you guys see what I'm saying? So that's accurate information. Now, when EOS says that they raised $4 billion, the reason why I don't believe that is because they did it over a year's time. And because they did it over a year's time, that means that they can raise that money, and then they can actually raise that money and reinvest it back and buy their own tokens to artificially increase the amount of money that they raised during the ICO. Buy back their tokens, and they can even sell it back out, make a profit from it, use some of that profit, and buy back some more of their own tokens. So because they did that for a whole year, there's no way that they can prove that they didn't do that. And there's no way they can prove that that I can prove that they did that, but then there's no way they can prove that they didn't do that either. Okay, so that information is not accurate. Okay, so if we make our buying decision based on that information alone, we might not have accurate information. Okay, and that can be dangerous. So the point of this video is to make sure that when you guys make a buy or sell decision, make sure that you are basing it on accurate information. Do not base it on information that is not accurate. Okay? So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll look to see you guys in the next video. If you guys like what I share in this video and you want to learn more about how we trade, go get you a copy of the Cryptocurrency Investing Blueprint at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint. In that blueprint, we show you everything that we have done to become millionaires and retire early. Okay, so if you want to know how we did it, go get you a copy of it today. Stop trying to jack around and figure it out on your own. Okay, this is the tallest building here in Vietnam. Let me give you guys a glimpse of it right there. And it's pretty huge, and it's pretty tall. Okay, so as soon as the car stops here, I'll give you guys a glimpse of it. Okay, come on in. Okay, this is the tallest building in Vietnam that you guys keep hearing me talk about. And here it is right here. Okay, right there. And it's called the Vincom Center. There's the, so they modeled this area, those villas over there, they range anywhere from $3 to $6 million US a piece. Okay, so that way you guys can get a glimpse of it. This is where I meet most of my traders and investors here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.